In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage forms using Airtable effectively. Whether you're gathering feedback, collecting contact information, or automating parts of your workflow, Airtable makes it straightforward and efficient. So let's dive right in and explore how you can make the most out of this fantastic tool. First, we'll begin by opening Google Chrome and heading over to Airtable's website, which you can find at airtable.com. Once there, you'll need to either sign in to your existing account or, if you're new to Airtable, you can quickly create a free account. This gives you access to a range of features that we'll be using today to enhance your productivity. Now that you're signed in, it's time to create a new base. Think of a base as your workspace where everything related to your project will reside. Click on the option to add a base and when prompted, select Start from Scratch. This will give us a blank canvas to work with. You'll want to add a few essential tables and fields next, such as name, email, and feedback, perhaps more depending on your specific needs. These fields will collect the data essential for your form. The next step is to make your base interactive by creating a form. Navigate to the top menu and select the form view. This step transforms your base into a user-friendly form. Simply drag and drop the fields you've already created into this view. This intuitive process allows you to construct a form that suits your unique preferences and requirements. Once your form is set up, it's time to bring some automation magic into play. In the top menu, head over to Automations. Here you can set a trigger for your automation process, like when a form is submitted. Following this, decide what action should follow. Maybe you want to send an email, post a Slack notification, or perhaps update another table. Select the action that best suits your needs and ensure that you turn the automation on. This feature streamlines your workflow and allows you to focus on tasks demanding your immediate attention. With your form and automations ready, the next step is sharing it. While still in Form View, click on the option to Share Form. You can then copy a shareable public link, or if you prefer, embed the form on your website. Additionally, you have control over the form's permissions. Choose whether anyone with the link can access it or restrict access solely to your team. Finally, as we look to the future, let's consider optimizing your form use. By 2025, features like Airtable AI Assist will be incredibly valuable, allowing you to auto-tag, summarize, or categorize responses swiftly. You could also employ conditional logic, displaying fields based on previous answers, ensuring a smooth user experience. Keep track of form responses in real-time dashboards for dynamic, up-to-the-minute insights into the data you've collected. These steps provide a robust framework for leveraging Airtable's capabilities, enhancing your data collection, processing, and analysis. I hope you found this guide helpful and feel excited about implementing what you've learned. Happy form building!